Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna show you my MacBook Pro, that is 2011 MacBook Pro. It's unibody, and it so happened that my DVD drive broke. That's another story. But it broke. It somehow broke. So what I had to do is I had to either get it replaced, or I have to see whether it was broken, what it was broken. So my curiosity drove me to try and open it once. Let's have a look what happened. There's something wrong with it. So as you can see, it is already opened, and I have you can easily find tutorials. I fix it or something, some tutorials over internet that can easily allow you to have this DVD drive open from here. This is the slot where it sits, and just right side to the DVD drive, the hard disk. You have to pop it open over here, and there is one connector over here which fits in over here, and just pop it out, and there is one screw. You can find all those details. I'm not gonna dive into that. So I searched over internet. There was literally no one who tried to open this drive, just because this drive in US I guess cost $30. In China, I don't know, maybe $10, $2. I don't know the price. And but in India, I could not find any website that was offering this drive. One reason being, this MacBook being very old. It's 2011 model. So 2011 model is very very rare, I guess. I don't know. It's quite rare. So none of my friend has 2011 model. Few of them have 2017 model, 2016 model, and 15, 14, not behind, not before that. So coming to the point, I have opened this drive. You can see screws all over the places. I have kept a map of it, just for my reference. So let me give you a walkthrough. This guy sits over here, and I have popped it out, removing screws all over places, and there is one plastic. I don't know what's its use for, but this is over here. You have to slide it and then remove it. Don't mess around with it. You don't have to lose anything. So what it's been like 15 minutes or something. I've been studying this structure, internal structure. This is already broken, I guess, so I can have a look at it, how it works, and this can be just for tutorial purpose. So this was the cover that was covered, and I had to remove it, and that's I guess broke the warranty, because there was seal over three places. And Hitachi, they're very curious, they're very specific about it. Let me give you an example. You can see, sorry for my camera's bad quality. I don't have a camcorder with me right now. So as you might see, there is, let me just, you might see those purple screws. I don't know clearly, but yeah, you might see it right now. Green and bluish things, they're screws. So what Hitachi did is, they have quite secured it. Once these screws are removed, you don't have warranty, and you cannot claim anything. So going back to the structure of it, the DVD drives goes just like this. So mechanism, this slides in the DVD. Sorry for that. It just sits over here, and then magically, internal software, there are two motors. So it right now you might see that it does not, the spinner does not fit into it once this comes out. So what Hitachi did this. There is one motor over here and then another motor over here. This motor is used to drive this lens. This is the lens that reads the DVD from above. So this lens, this on this shaft, it moves from back and forth. And this second motor, there is one internal structure inside it. What it does is, it you can see this thing. You can see this thing. So it drives this thing inwards, and what this small little mechanism, what it does is, it's just slides inside, and doing this, there is this screw. There is